how to log into your account on Asphalt 9 game. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Asphalt 9 account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, get the app. First, you can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. After you get it, open it up. And right here, this is what the lobby looks like. Head over to the settings icon that is on the top right corner. After you head over there, you will see different settings. Make sure that you're on the Game Loft Connect. And after you're here, tap on the Connect option right here. After you tap on it, you'll see different options how you can simply log into your account. So tap on Connect to your suitable preferred option. I'll just use Facebook. Tap on Continue to sign in. And now tap on Continue as your username. And while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now after you're here, you're basically done. Now you can head back. And yeah, that is basically how you can log in into your account on Asphalt 9. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and